Okay, so the first problem I encountered creating this batch game was that in level 1, it would be fine, and at the end of the game, a message would broadcast saying, well done, you've completed level 1, press this key to move on to level 2. Now, in level 2, when you had to collect 20 pieces of rubbish, but when you collected 10 pieces of rubbish, this message would just randomly pop up while you're still playing, saying, well done, you've completed level 1, press whatever key to move on. Now, I did not want to happen. It was very annoying, and it took me quite a long time to figure out what the problem was. I have created a sort of a program, I guess, of what I did do at the beginning. Now, the reason that I did it like this is because that's what it looked like on the other games I was referring to. And then I just tried to add in levels by myself to figure out. I figured it out by myself, really, how to add each level in. Now, what the problem was is that I had this I had this program going forever, just round and round and round in a loop. And once it got to score 10, then it hid and it broadcasted level 2. What the problem was is that this program didn't stop, and then when I went on to game 2, it would broadcast the end level message once I got onto 10 points. Now, I did try putting in a stop this script at here, but it didn't seem to work. It just kept going round and round. So then I had the idea of putting the repeat until tag in, which I can't find. Yeah, repeat until, and just pop it in here. Now, I had to move this one up here. So I wanted this script to repeat until it got to a score of 10. And then I wanted it to hide and broadcast end level and then stop this entire script. But for some reason, this didn't work. So then I just broke it down piece by piece, and I figured out that it might be this forever loop that I've put in here. So I took that out, and then I put this one back in, and then decided to try it again. Now this worked. As you can see up here, exactly what I've done, except for the fact that I had to put a stop the script on the bottom of every game, just so it didn't broadcast that script. Now, I get rid of this. Now that was the main problem that I encountered. The other problem I encountered was the backdrops. So I thought for some reason that each background had its own script. Now this will really frustrate me because I'll go down to script or backdrop level 2 and I'll go to script and I will start putting in all these different program codes, and then I'll go back to backdrops and go back to this start one and realize, hey, why is that there? That's really annoying. I didn't want that there. Until I realized that it was all one script for the backdrops. Now, to fix this problem, I used the main character to change the backdrops because I couldn't put it into this backdrop. And that was that problem. The other somewhat problem I have is just making sure that all the messages were going to the right time and that all of the sizes, positions, and the broadcasts were all correct. So I had to make sure that this was end level 2, and level 3, and make sure that these were also over here, and level 3 and level 2 and then level, just so that it didn't create another error. So that's majority of my problems creating this game. It was a lot of fun. Thank you.